Welcome to Swagger's lifestyle.
A lot of people do not know how to pair things up, or they don't know the difference between, say, we're going to work, say we are going to hang out with friends, say there's a party and all of that. So what are the different styles that you're going to show us today?
I'm giving out a 20 minutes free consultation session to two people.
Yay!
Two people. All you have to do is follow Swagger Lifestyle on YouTube and all our channels. You have to follow me also, of course, on my channels, persona_consult, and tell me why you need it, why you need the consultation session.
So you've heard, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, all our social media, his own social media, you'll see later. Just follow us and then tell us why you want this particular giveaway.